Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Join me every day for your financial information and your breaking news around the world. As we can see in the US today, Biden's family urged the president to stay in the White House race as donors discuss alternative scenarios. There is information going around that Biden has been replaced. Maybe, maybe not. But right now, the facts are the family is urging him to stay, and it looks like he is staying. So that's the latest news on the president. Boy 13 dies after being wrestled to the ground and shot by US police. Another terrible tragedy in the United States when it comes to gun crime. Water spout appears in Florida. It is now hurricane season where I am right now. I am in the middle of Tornado Alley, and I know firsthand because house insurance has gone through the roof. Very difficult to get house insurance right now as we are in Tornado Alley. We've had 2 roofs replaced here, and it is now hurricane season again, and you're seeing all these very dramatic signs starting again. Water spout appears in Florida. Can you imagine seeing that? It'd scare you a little bit, wouldn't it? What about Hurricane Beryl? Hurricane Beryl now moves into the Caribbean. Let me tell you firsthand, I was there on Hurricane, in the middle of Hurricane Irma, right in the middle of that, when it went right over St. Martin, and the US Army Air Force saved me and Leah. We are eternally grateful to the US saving us. New York Times calls on Biden to quit after race disastrous quit race after disastrous debate. You remember seeing that? I have a video that I've just put out about how I feel that the economy will be affected by that debate. Go and check that video out. I'll put the link below and a link above my head and link below if you want to go and check out the full implications of that. Alec Baldwin back in the news in the US, faces trial over fatal Rust shooting after defense bid rejected. Roseanne and Arrested Development actor dies. It's always sad to hear people pass away, of course. Suspect shoots at police. More gun crime here today in the US. Double haters who dislike both Biden and Trump may well have swelled in number. A lot of upset in the United States at the moment. The election's coming up. It's going to affect the markets somewhat. But a lot of America seems to be very split now. Doesn't feel like the United States at all. Like the United Kingdom kind of feels more united, like we are a force for good, if you like. But in the United States, it does feel that the country is split down the two, and I believe it's losing some power with the world being like that. It needs to come together and try to find some common ground, and the common ground should all be, I would imagine, doing what's great for the world in the United States, as opposed to fighting with each other. Who is Gavin Newsom, California governor, who could replace Joe Biden? Well, that's the news today. We don't see that happening yet, though. Joe Biden's family, as we just reported, are still saying they're staying in the race. Biden, you are fired, says Donald Trump. The loophole that could force Biden out as presidential nominee, and who could replace him? Well, what do you think? Do you think he'll be replaced? Of course, he has to stand down. He can't be replaced. He has to stand down. So let's see how that goes. Sad scenes here. Another shooting, and we can in some final news. Just some recent news just out that was discovered during a latest court case. Michael Jackson, when he passed away, was $500 million in debt. Can you believe that? Anyway, there is the news this morning here in the United States of America. There is the markets as we load it up. There we go. We are green again, hitting all-time highs once again, 101,202, all from just $5,000. Join us every day as we go live, 12 hours a day, answer everyone's questions. Everyone has a voice. Everyone can call into the show. We are here for you. My aim is not to grow the biggest YouTube channel in the world and all the rest of it. It's to grow the most honest, real, live information for news and the financial markets in the world. That is my aim. I was voted as the world piano man. I'm actually a musician and entertainer, and I love to be here and engage with a live audience every day. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description, over here and over here, for more information in the series. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.